Hey Carter, can I get an interview real quick?
Oh, yeah, come here, come on.
So, Carter, what's it like being a third-year apprentice?
It's good, there's a lot of responsibility, learning a lot, a little bit stressful because it's so busy, but, it's good work.
So, what do you do every day?
New construction on housing, so I'm installing furnaces and running pipe, and basically making sure all the heat is distributed throughout the houses.
Do you recommend people getting into this trade?
Yes, 100%. We need more people in this trade. As many people as possible. It's good money, it's hard work, but we need people. So if you are interested, please join the trades.
Hell yeah, thank you for your time.
Of course, man.